So this is version 2.3 and it has support for joysticks and a very interesting option. If you go into settings, controls, helicopter, joysticks, this thing here, it's a bit hidden. I think the UI is slightly broken. That toggle box there, lock free look, that essentially means that your mouse can be used to look around. That means you can use something like FreePIE to get TrackIR to work. The only thing you have to do is make sure that the mouse isn't set here, otherwise you'll also move the helicopter. So set up your joystick axes here, just for whatever joystick you've got. You can fiddle a lot with all of this stuff. So I set up FreePIE and I have it actually set up so that when I do Alt, I can look around as infantry. It's kind of handy. And, but the main thing is all the controls I need for the helicopter are on my HOTAS system. So let's first of all start free look. Works. Just make sure it's centered. This is all part of TrackIR. Right, so from now on my hands are all on the joystick and throttle. I can zoom in. Let's start up the engine. Check everything's alright. Check the blades are going. Check around. I can see that I have no passengers, no gunner. Oh well, it's a training server. And let's go check the map. This bigger one. I can actually sort of control the mouse, but I can take my hands off and do things. Let's cheat slightly. We're going to go to the airfield. Back hands on stick throttle. Let's take off. I'm going to go down that road there. Now the cool thing is I can look where I'm going, or I can look to the right. And one thing that's really useful is when you're nose down is you can actually look up and see where you're going to go. So I'm going to go over here. Try not to crash. Well, that was close. Yeah, not used to these physics yet. I need more practice. But one thing you can do with this is, as you're flying past something, you can have a quick look down there. Really zoom in. Oh, is that a guy on there? No. Oh, wait. I think I see something. Again, I am hands-on. Whoa, the trees are scary. Yeah. I think I need more practice. Anyway. Still all hands on keyboard. Open the map. One thing I found was really slightly tricky is doing things like this. I have a mouse controller, so I can kind of do it loading and unloading. I haven't really thought of a good way of doing that. So where's the airfield gone? Oh, it's up there. Oh, there it is. Okay. We land. And next to that, smoking wreck. So I can, this is handy, I can come in at an angle. Got best visibility out to the right. Do a bit of taxiing along the runway. The cool thing about the throttle is it is very fine control. I can get like a couple of percent. Anything. Maybe I'll park it just over this wall. Yeah. It's not, I'm not being very fast here, I need more practice, but yeah, you get the idea. Check the ground, yep, we're good. So land here. Come on guys, get in. Okay, you're all in. Okay, let's go. How about something a bit trickier? Let's see, I think there is a nice tall... Oh, there's a nice tall building there. I don't think I could land on that roof. Well, let's have a go. This tower here. Okay. Oh, yeah. Too fast. Let's try that one again. Because all the passengers are screaming, wondering if they're all going to die. So, normal squad, really. Okay, I've got this. I got this. Balance that broom. I'm going to get it. Here we go. One wheel on.